Let's go, everyone! Today we're unboxing an anti-cavity mouthwash from up&up, which is Target's brand. And this is comparable to the active ingredient in Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Mouthwash. So I've been using this for a while, keeps the breath fresh after eating and all that. And this one is good because it actually helps prevent cavities. So when you check out the back, sodium fluoride is the ingredient that helps prevent cavities. So gotta make sure your mouthwash has that in it. And the usage, I think it's self-explanatory. Inflation though, this stuff's getting expensive. So let me show you all what the unboxing experience is like. Alright, so it has the cap for satisfaction guarantee to protect you from anyone in the store using it. Let's see. Oh, I don't know why these are always sticky at Target. On the outside it's kind of weird, but I feel like there's always a carton that explodes or something. But here you go. Then you open it by here and pour and rinse for a refreshing mouthwash experience. And it's pretty legit, not too strong, similar to Listerine in my opinion. But yeah, that's it. Hope you're all doing well and get ready to use some good mouthwash for the summer. Hope you're all staying healthy, happy, and have a great day. See you next time. Bye.